بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي امري واحلل عقدة من لساني. Imran Qayyum from HICO PhD, and we are in question and answer session of poultry education, promoting the poultry education to the world. And the question is that what are the most important signs that bird are too warm or too cold? Yes, what are the most important signs? So there are some signs I discussed here that when birds are too warm, they migrate to cooler or higher airflow areas. Hold features closer to the body, drop or lift their wings to get more air cooling. Drink more. That's why I am uh, when I'm visiting in the pond that I must watch the water consumption record. Yes, that's very important. That if you can check your water consumption daily, you will know that the upcoming problem or ongoing problem. If they stop eating and begin painting, especially if normally pink skin areas turn dark red, they definitely are overheated. Hopefully, you will agree that if they stop eating and begin painting, especially if normally pink skin areas turn dark red, they definitely are overheated. When birds are too cold, they tend to huddle together on the floor, move away from the direction of air movement, and fluff feathers to increase their insulating value. So these are the symptoms, these are the signs you can check, you can judge your animals that they are in warm or they are in cold climate. So climate is very important, and hopefully you will take care. You will, if you have any problem, you will watch our videos. The best climate, the best equipment for the Portugal, the best ventilation, the best house, automation house, and the water management, the field management. Um, you can watch more than 100 plus videos. Yes. So if you have any question, please write below section of this video, the comment section. Write us your question, and please like and share and subscribe our channels, and also share with your friends to promote our poetry education with us. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.